Good evening students. Today we will discuss exercise 18b, chapter number 18 of my standard 9th class. Okay, 9th class. In this exercise, we will learn about how to make a frequency polygon and a histogram. And you have already done this type of histogram in previous classes. So first we make frequency polygon and a histogram in this exercise. So question number first, make a frequency polygon for this class interval and frequency, this frequency distribution table. And this class interval given, then this is a grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, so class interval 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24. And frequency given 0 to 4, frequency 4, 4 to 8, 7, 8 to 12, 10, and 12 to 16, 15. 16 to 20, 11, and 20 to 24 and 6. Students, we make histogram and frequency polygon with the help of histogram. And there is two methods in this exercise. First, make a frequency polygon without using histogram, and make a frequency polygon using histogram. So in this question, we make frequency polygon using histogram. ओके क्योंकि हिस्टोग्राम का यूज करके अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगॉन बनाएंगे तो हमें हिस्टोग्राम बनाना भी सीखेंगे. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट. वी टेक एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस. ओके, सो दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस and this is y axis. We take x axis and a y axis. On x axis we take class interval and y axis we take a frequency. There is class interval and there is a frequency. Okay, now this point is a 0 where x axis and y axis meet each other. That is a point is origin and coordinate this point is 0 0. Okay, again first class interval 0 to 4. Okay, then 0 to 4 we take same unit and difference. 0 to 4, next 8, next 12, next 16, after that 20, after that 24. And we take one extra and one less. हम एक राइट साइड में ज़्यादा क्लास इंटरवल लेंगे और एक लेफ्ट साइड में ज़्यादा क्लास इंटरवल लेंगे अगर हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगॉन बनाना है. आफ्टर दैट 28 और 0 to 4, इससे पहले हमारा आएगी हमारी -4. ओके, सेम डिफरेंस. In frequency, lowest number is 4 and highest number is 15. Then we take difference 3 or 2. We take 2 to difference 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and next is 16. Okay, this is y-axis and on y-axis we take frequency and x-axis we take class interval. Then first class 0 to 4 frequency 4, 0 to 4 frequency 4. Then we take this 4, 0 to 4, 4, and this is 4. Then this is first column 0 to 4 frequency 4. Next is 4 to 8 7, 4 to 8 we make this column 4 to 8 frequency 7. Then this 7 lie between 6 to 8. Then this is 0.7. This is second column, class 4 to 8 frequency 7, 4 to 8 frequency 7. Next 8 to 12 frequency 10, 8 to 12 frequency 10. There is 10. Then this is column 8 to 12 and frequency 10. Okay, next is 12 to 16 frequency 15, 12 to 16 15, 50 lie between 14 to 16. This is point 15. Next is class 16 to 20, 16 to 20, then frequency 11 and 11 lie between 10 to 12. Then This is 11. Next 20 to 24 6. 20 to 24 6. This is 6. Okay, student, this is our histogram. This is our histogram. If we make histogram, then first we take x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis we take class interval. On y-axis we take a frequency. Class interval according to this 0 to 4, 4 to 8. We starting from 0 to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and this type. And in frequency, lowest is 4, highest is 15. Then according to 2 difference, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, this is histogram. But we make frequency polygon, and we make this frequency polygon using histogram. If we use histogram, then we find frequency polygon. Then first we take a first class interval before this. इस फर्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल से पहले की क्लास इंटरवल और उसका हमने लेना है मिड पॉइंट है. तो इससे 0 to 4 से पहले की क्लास इंटरवल -4 to 0 और इसका मिड पॉइंट हमारा ये हुआ. नेक्स्ट 0 to 4 का मिड पॉइंट हमारा ये है. 4 to 18 मिड पॉइंट हम इनका क्या लेंगे, मिड पॉइंट, क्योंकि हम ये क्या लिया हमने यूजिंग हिस्टोग्राम. और नेक्स्ट है 24 to 28 वी टेक एक्स्ट्रा of this, then we take also midpoint of and this, because we join this frequency polygon. कोई भी polygon क्या होता है, हमारी बंद आकृति होती है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे इसको बंद करेंगे. We join this dot with the help of scale and join on x-axis and join on x-axis. हम इसको x-axis पे ज्वाइन करके इसको क्या करेंगे, क्लोज. दिस इज आवर फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड पॉलीगॉन. ओके, एंड दिस इज यूजिंग हिस्टोग्राम. Next question is combine histogram and frequency polygon. Same, combine histogram and frequency polygon means first we make a histogram, after that using histogram we make a frequency polygon. Okay, student, and this class interval, okay, in a continuous means exclusive form, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. But if you have not exclusive form, if you have inclusive form, then first you make it in exclusive form, means continuous, actual class limit. Okay, upper and lower. If you have already, then no problem. So same, first we take x-axis and next we take a y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we take class interval and y-axis we take a frequency. Class interval starting from 10 to 20. First this is 0. Next this point is 10. Same difference. Next is 20. Next 30, 40, 50 and 60 and one extra 70, and we take one extra also 0. There is 10 difference, so this is -10. Okay, first we make histogram. 10 to 20 class interval, there is frequency 3. We make frequency lowest is 2 and highest is 6, so one difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 10 to 20 frequency. Next class interval 10 to 20 frequency 3. 10 to 20 frequency 3. This is not starting from 0. This is 10 to 20. 10 to 20 frequency 3. 3 is there. Then okay. Next class 20 to 30 frequency 5. 20 to 30 frequency 5. 5 is there. Next 30 to 40 frequency 6. 30 to 40 frequency 6. 30 to 40 frequency 6. Next 40 to 54. 40 to 54. this is 4. Okay, next 50 to 60, 50 to 62, this is 2. Okay student, this is histogram. This is only histogram, and we find combined histogram and frequency polygon. Then with the help of histogram we find frequency polygon. Frequency polygon means बंद आकृति. Then we find mid value of this. Students, this is 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Our class interval starting from 10 to 20. So first we take before it 0 to 10. So no need to take minus 10 to 0. So this is we take 0 to 10. Okay. ये हमारी 10 to 20 से स्टार्ट है, तो इससे पहले हमारी क्या आएगी 0 to 10. So we have sufficient 0 to 10. Then no need to take a minus 10 to 0. Okay. If this starting from 0 to 10, then we take a minus 10 to 0. Okay. Then we take mid value of every column. Mid value. Okay. Mid value means 50 to 60 there is 55, 40 to 50 there is 45. Okay, and one extra we take also mid value, and before it class interval there is also a mid value of this class. Okay, then we join this. With the help of scale. And okay, this is our combined histogram and frequency polygon. Okay, students, again I say, if the class interval not in exclusive form, if given in inclusive form, then first you make it in exclusive form. Okay, in continuous form. Next question is question number 5. Draw frequency polygon for each using histogram and without using histogram. Students, we already done this type of question using histogram. First we make histogram and after that we make a frequency polygon. Now in this question we make a frequency polygon without using a histogram. Okay, without using histogram. If there is any frequency polygon without using histogram, first we find class marks. Okay, first we write class interval 5 to 15, 15 to 25, and 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. We take one before the first and we take after last. Next is 65 to 70, and before this 5 to 15, then before this there is difference, and there is 10, sorry, this is 75, 10 difference. So this is minus 5 to 5, then there is difference 10. Okay, so next frequency given 5 to 15 given 8, next 16, 18, 14, 8, 2. And if there is not given, then we take 0, and first also we take 0. Okay. Now we find mid value. Mid value means class mark, and class mark is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. This is a mid value. Then minus 5 plus 5, 0, 0 by 2, 0. Okay. Next 5 plus 15, then 20, 20 by 2, 10, 15 plus 25, 20, 30, 40, 40 by 2 हमारा आया 20. Next is 30, next 40, next is 50, next is 60, and next is 70. Okay, this is a mid value. If we find a frequency polygon without using histogram, then first we find a mid value. Class interval, frequency, mid value. एक क्लास हम पहले लेंगे और एक क्लास हम लास्ट में एक्स्ट्रा लेंगे, और इनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारी 0 ही रहेगी. ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट. सेम एज इट इज. फर्स्ट टेक x axis. Okay, and after that y axis. This is 0, x, y, and in x axis we take class interval, and there is a frequency. Okay, now we take points according to this. There is a frequency, this is 5. Next, if we take this is 5, this is 15, next 25, next 35, 45, 55, 65, and next is 75. We take a point. First is according to mid value and frequency. First point is 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 point is this. Okay, next, and students, we take zigzag line because same difference for 10 unit and same difference for 5 unit, this is not equal, so we take here zigzag line. Okay, next point, mid value 10 and frequency 8, frequency on y axis, mid value on x axis. Then our point is 10 and 8, x 10 and y 8, x 10 lie between 5 to 15, there is 10 and 8. First we draw frequency, lowest is 2 and highest is 18. Then we take if we take 5 difference, 5, 10, 15, next is 20. Okay, then first is 10 and 8, 10, this is 10 and 8 lie between 5 to 10, let this is 8, so our point is this point is 10 and 8. Okay, next point, mid value 20 and frequency 16. Okay, mid value 20 and frequency 16. 20 lie between 15 to 25, this is 20 and 16, there is a 16, so next point is this point is 20 and 16. Okay, next is 30 and 18. 30, there is 30, 25 between 25 to 35, this is 30 and 18, there is 18. Okay, so this point is 30 and 18. Next point is 40 and 14. 40 lie between 35 to 45 and 14, there is 14, so this point is 40 and 14. Next, 50 and 8, 58, there is 50 and 8, this point is 8. Okay, 50 and 8. Next, 60 and 2, 60 and 2, 60 lie between 55 to 65, this is 60 and 2, let this is 60 and 2. And next is 70 and 0, there is 70 and 0. Okay, first is this and last is this. Now we join these points. Okay, next you join this. Okay, this is our frequency polygon without using histogram. Okay, without using histogram you find mid value, after that you take point x coordinate and y coordinate according to this. I hope you understand. This is exercise 18b. So with the help of this video you complete your exercise. Okay, thank you.